Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use voice control to take pictures with your camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or the S20 Ultra. Now first launch the camera and then tap on the settings icon at the top, and then we're going to go down and tap on shooting methods. Make sure you turn on voice control. Once voice control is switched on, you can say things like smile, cheese to capture, or shoot to take a photo. So let's go back to the camera and say shoot, smile, shoot. You can see you can say commands like that to take photos. Now another way you can also do is to use Bixby, but that is a different functions, such as hey Bixby, take a photo. So you can see, as well as using the voice control within your camera, you can also use Bixby to take photos as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.